In the heart of India, a new era of luxury, efficiency and hospitality is unfolding. Welcome to the world of UprearBUILD's prefabricated modular pods. The future of guest accommodation now brought to life in the most innovative way. Designed and manufactured with cutting-edge precision in India, each modular pod is crafted with state-of-the-art technology. Built on a semi-automatic production line, these units meet the highest standards of building codes while ensuring fast and efficient deployment. Once manufactured, these fully equipped relocatable pods are carefully shipped to their destination, ready for installation in record time. No time-consuming construction or delays, just swift and seamless deployment. At this site, our client faced the challenge of hosting frequent guests and VIPs while preserving the beauty of their backyard garden. They made a smart choice by using our prefabricated modular technology to quickly install multiple guest units in part of the backyard, leaving the other half untouched as a serene garden space. Inside, every detail is tailored for comfort and convenience. From plush bedding to state-of-the-art amenities, each pod comes preloaded with everything your guests need to feel at home. Whether it's a guest suite, ADU or a home office, these units deliver luxury on demand in your backyard. These prefabricated pods are reshaping the future of guest accommodation.